Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to your PC. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay, if you want to transfer photos from your iPhone to your PC, simply guys, first step, plug in your iPhone USB to your PC. As you can see here, I will plug in iPhone USB to my PC. Okay, some message appear in my iPhone screen. Tell me trust this computer. Okay, click trust. As you can see, some window appear here. Internal storage. Okay guys, here as you can see we have Apple iPhone. Double click. Okay guys, here in the Apple iPhone, right click and select import pictures and videos, which mean import all pictures and videos from your iPhone. Okay, click here. As you can see guys, looking for pictures and videos. Okay, here guys we have more options. Settings for cameras and portable devices. Import images too. We can here set up the destination when we have to import these images. Okay, the folder name. Also guys, we can delete files from device after importing. When check this option here, as you can see. Okay guys, when you finish, click OK and all will be done. Okay, now I will not import anything. Okay, I will click cancel. That's it guys. Another method guys, if you want to import a specific picture, not all picture or videos, I want to import some pictures. Simply guys, again here enter the app, click in Apple iPhone. As you can see, click in internal storage. Here guys, in search internal storage, in the type, if you want to import some pictures, type star, that's mean all, .jpg, that's mean picture. Here in the view tab, click detail and filter the date modified. Okay, okay guys, here the last added pictures and the 8/4/2020. Okay, I want this set of pictures. Okay, click cut or copy and paste in any folder you want. As you can see, paste. Okay, that's it guys. As you can see, it's so simple without iTunes program or any software. That's it. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.